in the last week's analysis, and in fact the analysis before that we had touched upon several times. 105 is a very strong support for dollar index, and achieving those levels possibly it may try to bounce back. Also we talked about 107 as a potential resistance zone, as it is going to probably a sideways movement we can see in this zone. Precisely the dollar traded throughout the week in this zone itself. Now what to expect? Should we consider this as reversal, or is it going to fly high? Which position we should take in order to profit? Everything gonna be see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon so that you can watch the daily analysis on major global markets and commodities including gold, silver, oil, NG, and be it Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany, etc. Do watch those daily analysis. Now let's start. On the first, we look into charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading strategy and levels for next week. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Now look at the weekly charts. 105, very good support. It has been kicked back from 105 levels and trying to rise. But look at the chart there. See these two candles. A pressure on the downside, a pressure on the upside, similar candles on the top and bottom, and indicates that the trading range for dollar index is now limited to 111 and 106 levels, and hence this zone is going to be very important. Now look at the weekly charts more closely. You'll find, see, the highs are well connected, and even if it tries to rise in next couple of weeks, 111 should be a very good resistance for dollar index. Now see, also remember this fact, how it has behaved. Now in this candle the opening was above the previous closing. In this candle the opening could be lower than the previous closing, getting back to 106 and 105.5 levels. Till 105.5, do not consider this as bearish, and below 105.5 you can still expect 105, which is going to provide a major support. Only below 105 you can expect 104 and 102 levels. So this is one part to it. So yes, it can open below and then continue with the bullish momentum. If you see it rising from here, you can potentially expect that we are looking forward to 108 as the major resistance, and beyond that 109, 109.5, 110, 109.5, 10 is the next major resistance. So 108, 110 zone rather, one should be very cautious of. Yes, it can achieve those levels there on the upside. If it continues to trade above 106.7, certainly you can buy there and expect it to rise. Now look at the daily. Now look at the daily charts and the last three candles, higher lows, higher highs. This candle failed to achieve those levels, and hence once you see it trading above 107, you can certainly expect a rise for 108, 107.5, 108 levels, which is definitely going to be a good resistance. Any break beyond 108 should take it for 109.5 levels the next, and 110 the next resistance zone. So buy at 107.2, rather I will say stay long for 108 and beyond levels. At the same time, once it draws below 106, you should take a sell position only below 106 levels. Below that you can expect more bearishness, taking it for 105. First support 104, second support, and then 102 levels will be seen. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, remember, after achieving lower highs, it has given a good break, and see, it was trading in this channel. We talked about this and we expected this to break out. Now also, if you connect the dots here from this to this, you will find that the lows and highs for the month are done. Only thing is, it is trying to show you a little retracement on the upside. Yes, a little retracement till towards 108 and 109.5 cannot be denied, and from there a little drop again towards next week, taking till towards 108 levels should be expected. So 108 definitely going to be a major playing factor for dollar index. It can try to swing around those levels for a little while. Now see, this is the monthly candle. The highs and lows for the month are done. That is what we can see. Also the candle size does matter. It can potentially try to rise a little, and hence you should enjoy the rise, and then you can expect that potentially 6.8, at least 80 cents you will get, and then 6.957, another $2 can be expected. Till the time it trades below 110, one can expect that it is largely going to trade bearish. So 108, 110 zones, certainly you should be cautious, and then on the downside 106 levels should be a very good support. Now we have seen the charts. Time for us to look at the indicators and find out whether they are in sync or we have something different there available. Look at the daily charts. Trading below the 20-50-100 moving average, these are which are situated, the 50 period are little farther at around 111.5, then 109.5 and 110 zone. This is the maximum resistance zone which the dollar index, even if it tries to trade bullish, these are going to be definitely a very good resistance. So one thing very clear, 107.2 you can buy, 108, 110 zone, 109.5, 110, very strong resistance on the upside. Beyond that it is going to fly high. On the downside, only sell position is below 106, below which you can expect 105.5, 105, and below that you can expect 104 and 102 levels. Trading below the 20-50-100 moving average indicating bearishness. Also look at the direction movement is still bearish, it may try to converge, and then bullish move cannot be denied for NG. The stochastic which was trading oversold now looking upwards, potentially it may enter into overbought levels. The MACD is trying to converge at extreme bottom there, and hence probably it can converge crossover for a bullish move. So bullishness is expected, or it appears it may trade bullish. RSI trading oversold near to the bottom, and if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly chart, it has taken the support here and trying to rise. Probably rise till towards 109, 109.5, 110 cannot be denied, which is very strong resistance for dollar basket there. Also look, there is a bearish crossover here on the weekly charts, which indicates that it may try to remain bearish, but at the same time the stochastic is oversold and hence a rise cannot be denied. The MACD on the other side is divergent and bearish. It can start to converge from here as the height of the bearishness is still far bigger. RSI trading flat near to bottom. And if you look at the monthly charts, now look at the last 2 months, we are told that it is trading outside the Bollinger Band. The lows are also connected. Possibly we may see a good drop, and precisely it has breached the support of this channel and now traded bearish. See, till the time it trades below 110, certainly you can confirm that as bearish itself, and probably it can try to drop further till towards 103, 104, and in fact 100 levels cannot be denied. There could be a sharper drop, as this is the first reversal candle. Potentially we can expect a further sharper bearish candle next week. Now see, it is an expanding triangle. The support there at 104 levels, 102 levels are going to be very strong. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for next week. Entering at those levels, definitely you can benefit. Now where to buy, as I said in the analysis, 107.2 levels. Beyond this you can remain long on dollar basket. Expect 108, very good resistance, then 108.4, and then 108.9 levels. Beyond that we may see it hitting. See, till here, first of all, till 108 we need to be very cautious. In fact 108.4 you should expect, if it breaches below 108.4, directly it will try to land at 109.5, the next major resistance, and then 110. These levels you should definitely watch out for. 109, 110 zone is very critical here. Beyond this, certainly we can expect that the dollar is trying to trade bullish from here. Hence buy at 107.2 and expect a rise, but do not expect. Probably 109.10, 109.510 is definitely going to provide a good push. Beyond that, 111 is the next target. So this is towards the buy side. If you just adhere to the levels and keep booking the profits at every milestone, definitely nobody can stop you from trading profitable. Right entries where the markets have turned bullish is a good buy entry, and then you need to wait for it to turn bullish and trade accordingly. On the downside, now where to sell? Yes, you can sell here at 105.9 itself. Below that you can expect a little more drop. And before I give you the trading levels on the downside, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, identifying the good profitable trades, and equip yourself with the tools and strategy in order to become a profitable and proficient trader, you should join my mentorship batch, the 17th mentorship batch. The last batch for this year is going to start on 28th of November. 10 days are left, only few seats are left. Do not miss this opportunity, else you'll be missing the profit. So do reach out to me for more details on the training batch. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where we trade indices, commodities, and anything on the way. Reach out to me for more details on send. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the about section of this channel, where you will find my Telegram and email IDs. Also in the video description you will get that. Do reach out to me for any of your queries. Now below 105.9, 105 is the maximum support and it's strong support. So below 105, certainly you can expect that more bearishness, taking it for 104, 102 levels, and below that a good drop till towards 100 cannot be denied. You need to be cautious here. you need to be attentive here. 102 levels, if below 105 is definitely going to be a very good support level. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.